Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm so grateful for you coming along with me. Okay, today we are doing palm nut soup. It's a Ghanaian recipe. It's a very lovely soup that you can have and it's really delicious. Okay, this is a re-upload. I've done it before on my channel, but I'm using a specific palm fruit. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I am using. Okay, so what I have here, I have some chicken. Okay, this is hard chicken. All right, hard chicken means that it's hen, so it takes a bit of time to cook. I like using it because also take a bit of time to cook. Okay, and I have some meat as well in it, and I have some beef trotters as well in it. We have, Ghanaians, we do a lot of our soups are made of a lot of meats, okay, different types, and it gives a very lovely taste. Okay, so that's why I have. My kids do like chicken and I don't like chicken a bit, so I like meat. That's why I mix it up as well, but you can do that. So you can use any meat at all if you prefer. So this is what I have here. I've cleaned it nicely and washed it. Okay, I take out the skin out of it because I really don't like the skin. And so what I'm going to do next is a very simple recipe. Okay, the simplest recipe that you can use to make palm nut soup. So I have this marinade here. Okay, so the marinade that I'm pouring in is ginger, garlic, and then we have some onions, okay, and some spices. I'll put that really down below. I'll put it in the description box. Okay, the marinade that I'm using, the spices that I use, I'm going to put that all in. So I'm going to just rinse my blender. So I'm going to add some salt, and also I'm going to add just a bit of aniseed powder. Right, so I mix it. So this is really to spice the meat and it makes it really taste good. Okay, that's the secret of a good soup, and the meat really tastes good. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. So guys, this is the easiest palm nut soup you will ever make. Okay, so our meat is really nice. It's cooking nicely. It's very flavorful, and the scent here is amazing, I'm telling you. So what I have here, I have some blended tomatoes. I'm adding that in. You can add pepper to it. You could see that I normally don't put a lot of chili pepper or scotch bonnet, whatever you call it, in my recipes, mostly because my kids don't like spicy. I like spicy, but I have a lot of spicy sauces that I add to my food when I'm eating. Okay, and I'm going to add a bit of, just a small 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and I'll allow this to simmer for a while before I add my other ingredients. So guys, so my palm fruit that I'm adding to the soup, that's why we call it palm nut soup, because we had palm fruit. This is what I'm adding. It's called prekese and abemudru palm soup base. Okay, this prekese is really medicinal. Okay, it's really medicinal, and that is turkey berries as well. Abemudru is turkey berries. Okay, so and they've added it to the palm fruit. And I know that if you use this is really the authentic one, because in Ghana, when you do that with the palm, you always add the turkey berries and the prekese, because it gives it a very lovely taste and it's medicinal as well. So if you, I don't want to go through the benefits of the prekese, you can just check it online. It's really good. Okay, so this is what I'm using for my palm nut soup. So what I have here, I put them in the bowl. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to add some hot water to it and then sieve it onto the soup. So guys, this is it. I've put the palm fruit in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it for it to cook. So guys, as you can see, our soup is cooking nicely. The last bit I want to add is some smoked fish and also koobi. So guys, this is the koobi, that's the head. Okay, we normally put that in palm nut soup just to give it that aroma. Okay, if you want to know how to make this salted fish, it's on my channel, so you can just check it out. Okay, so I put that in. Okay, and I have also some smoked fish. It's called Adwene in Ghana. Okay, it's nicely smoked. It has a very nice aroma as well to the soup. So that's another one as well. So I'm just adding this also to the soup. So as you can see, it's smelling so nice. My kitchen is absolutely smelling lovely. So I want to just wait. I've opened it up for it to just simmer for a while, just about 10-15 minutes, and our soup will be done. So guys, our soup is done. As you can see, I just put it up. So what I'm going to do, when it cools down a bit, I need to just remove the oil from the top bit, and then we can use that oil. It's palm oil, so we can use it to make stews or any recipe that you prefer. So yeah, so this is done. It smells amazing, and you can see it's very easy to do. So guys, this is our palm nut soup, a chicken palm nut soup. It smells amazing. It's very delicious. Okay, and it's so easy to do. Okay, so what I'm having it with rice balls. It's just soft rice that has been molded into that, and it is also very good. You can have it with anything at all, rice, yam. Okay, and it's really delicious. This soup is really delicious and nutritious. So guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notification so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.